Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to undo a swipe on Bumble. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, to undo the swipe, you can see the undo button which is at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. Now you need to have a premium or the boost. Purchase a premium for undo the swipes. So that is how you can undo swipes in Bumble account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.